So I got a new package today. Actually, this package you're gonna like, and hopefully it's a good unboxing or review, whatever. It's it's a knockoff, replica, a fake of the Toce exhaust system. This is a replica, a knockoff, a Chinese a Chinese one. I paid $550 for it, and I got it from eBay. It came from Hong Kong, and actually the shipping was pretty fast. It took 8 days to get here. It arrived today. I think today's the 8th of May, so it arrived pretty fast, considering it came from Hong Kong. So I'm gonna show you the package. I just open it because I want to see if they don't send me some random stuff and not the exhaust, but everything is wrapped up. So I'm gonna open it and show you what's the pipes. So as you can see, I think this is the mid pipes. And this is one of the exhausts. The other one, that's the box. Nothing too fancy. Let's go over the first one. Get ready. This is gonna be good. Okay, so we got one. It comes with a bubble wrap. And as you can see, okay, so this is the left side. No, yeah, right side. I don't have a original one to compare it, but it's really close to the ones that the original ones. It's aluminum, and the only thing that I noticed, I mean, everything is there, but this thing right here, on the original one, you can take these screws off, and this cap comes off, and then you can take the baffles off. On this one is just a solid piece, so if you end up taking these things off, it will do nothing to get the baffles, as you can see in there. So I'm just gonna turn it around and see it has the laser engraved Toce exhaust, and they're goddamn pretty damn close to the original ones. The original ones, they cost about, I think, $850. So that's these fucking Chinese people are freaking how do you say, smart. They know what they're doing. So I'm gonna open this one real quick, so I don't want to make the video too long. I just want to show you the product. They're not paying me anything to do this type of videos, but I think it will help a lot of people if they want to buy something from eBay, or a cheap exhaust system, and want to see if they look similar to the ones they want, especially if it's a knockoff. Because right now a lot of Chinese stuff and Hong Kong stuff, they come really close to replicating the stuff that the original manufacturers are doing. As you can see, this is the left side. Everything is there. A little bit of chips here, but overall, I mean, it's a solid pipe. It's for the R1 09 to 2014. As you can see, there's a Toce. It's not a sticker. So that's left and right. Let's open the pipes. It just comes with a regular bubble wrap. These supposed to be what they say, the titanium, but it's regular steel. You can see right away. That's what the advertising says. I think this is for the left side. And let's go the last one. So that's it. We got 4 spring hooks for the pipes to hold them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the right side for the pipe, for the mid pipe, I believe. Yeah. So yep, you can see nothing too fancy, nothing too bad. Overall, looks nice. I mean, cannot compare it to the original ones, but for the price wise, yep. So this thing goes somewhere like that, and put the springs, everything back together. That's one side. Let's go for the other one. And this one goes like this, like that. As you can see, I think this thing is a little bit loose for my taste. I don't know if the springs will hold up well, because I have to when I'm finished installing them on the bike. But hopefully you get an idea on what the pipes are and everything. If you want to buy them, like I say, they're $550, free shipping and handling, 8 days to get here. And those are some of the bikes that I'm working on, and that's the bike that I'm going to put the exhaust. Oh shit. That's the bike that I'm working on for a friend of mine. Hopefully when it's done, it looks nice. Has a 2 bros exhaust. One is fucked up from the bottom. So hopefully everything goes well to plan. And hopefully you guys like it and see the end result. But yeah, those are the fake Toce exhausts. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you want to see another review on stuff, unboxing or whatever, and just give me some feedback and I'll let you know what I can do. So thanks for watching and see you on the next one.